Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran that surely in the messenger of Allah you have a great example of character. And one of the hadiths, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been sent to perfect the good character. And our topic for tonight is the good character is the key to paradise. Or in sa Tagalog, yung magandang ugali, yan ng susi ng paraiso. And we are going to start from the beginning, that how a good character can lead us to paradise. Paano yung magandang ugali maging paraiso ng susi ng paraiso? Good character doesn't mean that the good character between the human, but we have to be a good character between our God and us. Between us and our God, we should have a good character. And what is a good character between us and God? That we should worship only one God. We should respect Him as a God, and we should not make any God beside Him. Same way, when a child, he make another father for himself, a son, he make another father for himself, then the father is going to be humiliated, and that child called a bad manners, a bad character child. The same way, when a person is going to make another God for him beside the true God, the only God, worthy to be worshipped, the Almighty Allah, or you can call Him the King, the Holy, the Great, the Creator, the Lord, any good name you can call Him, which is appropriate for His Majesty, yung bagay sa Kanya, yung pangalan ng Diyos na yung bagay sa Kanya. Hindi pwede na tinatawag Diyos Ama dahil Ama isang attribute ng tao. At yung Ama, hindi rin sa tao, pati hayop meron din Ama. So hindi bagay kay Diyos na yung pangalan na Ama. Kaya hindi na sa Quran na walang na ng salita na yung sa Quran na buong Quran na yung tinatawag Diyos na Ama. Dahil Ama, ito isang attribute ng mga tao at mga hayop. Hindi lang sa tao, meron na hayop na Ama. Dahil yung baboy, may Ama, siya yung Ama, tapos yung anak niya piglet. Yung aso, dog, and yung asawa ng aso, bitch. And the child of the dog is puppy. So how we can attribute to God with the word Father? It is insult of the God. In another word, it is a bad manner. So it is a bad character to call God with the word Father. Or it is also considered as a bad character when we are making multiple gods, which is against the command of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Kahit sa Biblia, kahit sa Quran, sa Biblia, the unang-unang commandment, thou shall not have any God beside me. Huwag na kayo nagawin na ibang Diyos maliban sa akin. Or, it is also the bad character, considered as a bad character, when people are worshiping a man-made idols. Ginawa nila yung Diyos sa sarili nila. Tapos bibili pa nila sa Diyos. Kung papunta sa mga simbahan na may benta ng sa labas yung mga ribolto. Ano yan? Benta ng ribolto, yung Diyos, binabenta mo at bibili mo yung Diyos para yung protection sa'yo. So, it's considered as also a bad character.